Looking for a reusable, low-prep math resource with a Cosmos hook? Teachers say this pixel art is a classroom must-have. Welcome to Gamified EduTech. I'm here to gamify math education, creating resources that make learning fun and interactive for students and a total time saver for teachers. Check this out. My Multiplying Proper Fractions Cosmos Pixel Art Math is a digital math resource in Google Sheets. It includes 4 pixel art worksheets with 20 problems each. That's 80 problems total, where students multiply proper fractions to reveal cool Cosmos-themed pixel art. Here's how it works. Students open a Google Sheet and solve 20 problems per worksheet, multiplying proper fractions. Each correct answer reveals part of a Cosmos-themed picture with instant self-checking feedback. If they got it wrong, they could retry. It's perfect for math stations, review, or independent work, keeping them engaged for 30 minutes to an hour, depending on how many worksheets you assign. No prep required. Create a master copy, duplicate it, and delete worksheets you want to save for later. Ready to bring this to your classroom? Grab it at my Gamified EduTech store. Link in the description. Save at least an hour of prep and blast off into some Cosmos-themed fraction fun for 30 minutes to an hour. Thanks for watching. Give this a thumbs up, subscribe to Gamified EduTech, and drop a comment about how you'd use this in your classroom. Tell me the reactions of your students after seeing the revealed pixel art. Catch you next time with more Math Meets Fun ideas.